Hello everyone, myself Sanket Narlavar and I am from Vishwakarma University Pune. So friends, today we are discussing about the linear search in data structure and algorithm. So data structure and algorithm, linear search are few contents of the linear search such as need for searching algorithms, examples, linear search, pseudocode, time complexity in best case analysis, time complexity in worst case analysis, time complexity in average case analysis, and space complexity. So need of searching algorithm, data structure consider an inventory of 1 million items of store. If the application is to search an item, it has to search an item in 1 million item every time, slowing down the search. As data grows, search will become slower. This is why searching algorithms are important. So linear search or sequential search is the method for finding a particular values in a list that checks each element in sequence until the desired element is found or the list of exhausted. The list need not be ordered. It is very simple and works as follow. We keep on comparing each element with the element to search until the desired element is found or list ends. So following are the examples. This is array. We are going to perform linear search. Let's search for the number 3. We start the beginning and check the first element in the array. The first value 3. No, not is. It is the next element. Is the second value 3? Not there either. The next element 3. Is the second value 3? Not there either. The next element is the fourth value 3. As we found it. Now you understand the idea of linear searching. We go through each element in order until we find the correct values. This is the pseudocode of the linear search. And next, time complexity best case analysis. In the linear search problem, the best case occurs when target is present at the first location. The number of operation in the best case is constant, not dependent on n number. So time complexity in the best case would be 0. And next, time complexity in worst case analysis. For linear search, the worst case happens when the element to be searched is not present in the array or it is present at the end of the array. In the scenario, the search compares it with all the element of array one by one. Therefore, the worst case time complexity of linear search would be 0. And next, time complexity average case analysis. The key is equally like to be in any position in the array. If the key is in the first array position, first comparison. If the key is in the second array position, second comparison. If the key is in the position I, comparison. So average all these possibility 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n etc. comparisons. The average number of comparison is n plus 1/2 equals to 0. Time complexity in average case analysis. In average case analysis, we take all possible inputs and calculate computing time for all of the inputs, sum of all calculated values, and divide the sum of by total number of inputs. We must know distribution of cases for the linear search problem. Let us assume that all cases are uniformly distributed, including the case of target not being present in array. So next and last one is space complexity. This type of search requires only a single unit of memory to store the element being searched. This is not relevant to the size of the input array. Hence, the space complexity of linear search is 0.